Hello Internet, my name is Aaron Garcia, and today we are going to get this computer out of Windows S mode. To do that, you need to go to the Microsoft Store, and I'm going to show you how I got here. It's really actually really simple, and you can do this a lot of different ways. You can search for get out of S mode. You can do that. And this pop-up will appear. You can open. It will take you straight to it, as you can see here. Not very hard. Once you're here, you're just going to click Get, and we're just going to get out of S mode. Now, why would you want to get out of S mode? Well, you might want to install apps that are not allowed, such as Chrome, Remote Desktop, other stuff. You have switched out of S mode. I mean, it's that easy. So now that I'm out, let me show you what I can do. Okay, I'm now running the app, so I guess I'm out. Let's confirm that we are out, actually. So I'm going to go to Start, go to the gear, go look at our system, look About. We are running Windows 10 Home, not Windows 10 S mode. It was really that simple. So now that I'm out of S mode, I'm going to install Chrome because I like Chrome better. Chrome. Let's download Chrome. I know they really want me to use Microsoft Edge, but I want to use Chrome. This is what freedom looks like, guys. Accept and install. And I can open the file. Oh my goodness, yes. That's what freedom looks like. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe for more videos, and leave a comment if you have any questions. I am happy to help anyone who has questions, so don't be a stranger. Ask me a question. I'm all good. So take care.